Hi everyone, this is Tamilselvan, Assistant Professor, Department of BBA, KSR College of Arts and Science for Women, Tiruchengodu. Today we discuss about the subject cost accounting in the topic of overheads. Overheads are business costs that are related to the day-to-day running of a business. Overheads expenses are vary depending on the nature of the business and the industry it operates in. The costs are important in determining how much a company must charge for its product or services in order to generate the profit. Then next we discuss about classification of overheads. Here the overheads are classified into three different heads. One is for element of base, another one is for behavior based, another one is for function based. In element base we have three subpoints. One is for indirect material, then indirect labor, then indirect expenses. Then behavior based we have three categories. One is for fixed overhead, next one is for variable overheads and semi-variable overheads. Then functions based we have four. One is for production, another one is for administration, then selling and distribution and general overheads. On the base of elements we have 3 points. One is for indirect. It is the cost which is not directly attributable to the finished product is called indirect material cost. Then indirect labor cost, it refers to the part of labor cost which is not directly attributable to the cost centers or cost unit. Then indirect expenses which cannot be allotted to the cost center or unit but can be apportioned by them are known as overheads or indirect expenses. Then next we discuss about on the basis of behavioral. There are three categories. One is for variable. It comprises of expenses which vary in proportion to the change of volume of production. For example, cost utilized. The next one is for fixed overheads. It comprises the expenses whose value don't change with the change in the volume of production, such as salary, rent. The next one is for semi-variable. Overheads are partly affected by change in the production volume. They are segregated into variable overheads and fixed overheads. Then next we discuss about on the basis of functions. We have three categories. One is for factory. It includes all the indirect cost incurred in the factory. It represents of manufacturing operation. It includes the cost of indirect material and indirect labor. Then office and administrative overheads. If the expenses are in general expenses and administrative expenses and control the business. It includes all the indirect costs related to direction, guidelines, management, control and administration of business concern. Then selling and distribution. These are in the point. This point will be discussed about. Selling means sales promotion, then retaining the customer, providing sales services to the customer. Then next we discuss about basic proportion. These are the common terms and basic apportionment are given. Factory rent that comes under the floor area occupied. Then insurance of plant comes under the capital cost of plant. Then insurance on stock comes under the insurance of value of stock. Then supervision and the canteen staff's welfare expenses are comes under the number of workers. Then compensation to workers, wages, PF, wages. Then stores overhead are keeping expenses, value of direct material and material handling charges, weight of direct material, then lighting, number of light points and or floor space occupied. Then apportionment and absorption of production overheads comes under primary overheads. Primary overheads in the sense overheads which is also called as departmentalization of overheads involve allocation and apportionment. Allocation of overheads is made when they are traceable to cost center. Then secondary overheads, it means apportionment of overheads of service department among production department on some suitable basis. Methods are, there are three types. One is for non-reciprocal basic. It is always called a step ladder method. On reciprocal basic, simultaneous equation method, repeated distribution method, trial and error method. Thank you for watching this video.